In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your first generation pencil using your iPad 10th Gen. This is my iPad 10th generation, and this is my Apple Pencil 1st Gen. I had this for many years and this works perfectly with my iPad minis. This is very useful when editing videos for my YouTube channel. iPad 10th Gen has USB-C port, while the Apple Pencil 1st Gen has Lightning. For the Apple Pencil to work with the iPad 10th Gen, we will be needing a USB-C Apple Pencil adapter. This was purchased from the Power Mac, shipped for free from Singapore. This has two ends, a Lightning port and a USB-C. The last item that we will be using is the USB-C cable that came with the iPad. The next step is to connect the cable with the adapter, or you can connect the pencil first, whichever is more convenient for you. Here we will be connecting the USB-C charger with the USB-C port of the adapter, and then connect the cable to the iPad. Next will be to connect the Apple Pencil to the Lightning port of the adapter. This may seem unconventional, but this is the only way that we can use our 1st Gen pen with the iPad 10th generation. I also tried non-Apple products such as this one, but it didn't work with my Apple Pencil. Now let's connect the cable to the iPad. If it will not work the first time that you will do this, just interchange the cable wire and try it again. Then go to Settings, then Bluetooth, turn it on, and then it will look for available devices. Then click Pair, and your Apple Pencil is now connected. Once your Apple Pencil is connected, you can just turn it off and on using the quick access. The pencil will still connect to the iPad even if the Bluetooth was originally off, unless the iPad was connected to a different Bluetooth device. Now we can enjoy the Apple Pencil 1st Gen with the iPad 10th generation. Though I am not using this Apple Pencil for doodling that is beyond my skill set, this is used mainly for editing videos, it's still better to have one because it's more convenient and precise. Thank you so much for watching Mama Boo. I'll see you next time. Bye! Please like and subscribe the video. Click!